Looking for a cost-effective and powerful grinding machine for your gold processing plant? Meet the wet pan mill, a traditional gold grinding machine trusted by miners around the world. It's specially designed to process gold, iron, and other non-ferrous ores, combining crushing and grinding into one simple step. The heavy-duty steel wheels rotate to grind the ore into fine powder, releasing the gold for easy extraction. With low investment cost, high recovery rate, and simple operation, the wet pan mill is ideal for small and medium-scale gold miners. Durable, energy-saving, and easy to maintain, take your gold production to the next level with our wet pan mill. Contact us now for more details.